Organizing closets is a fun way to ensure that everything is in its place. It also allows you to arrange the closer whichever way you want, while at the same time making your closet look aesthetically pleasing. Welcome to Jensen's DIY, and in this video we will discuss 22 small closet organizing ideas. 1. Extender rods are very helpful as they ensure that you make the most of the space. They are cheap and add elegance to your closet. There are many extender rods that are available. These rods come in all types of material for various closets. Most of the time, we do not utilize our hanging space, but with the extender rod, it is possible to do so. 2. Shelf dividers are a true blessing as they help ensure that you store clothes more efficiently in your closet. They can also be used to allow your purse to be placed upright. It is easy to use them, and they offer maximum utility. There are various types of shelf dividers that come in different shapes and sizes. Make sure to check them out. 3. Shelf space can be used to its full potential with shelf baskets. They are designed to easily fit into your shelves and provide you with space you never thought existed. Shelf baskets are perfect for storing accessories and clothing, even cutlery such as cups and mugs. There are some shelf baskets which are completely recycled, so modernize your home with the help of these amazing baskets. 4. Head to your closet and see how many hooks you already have. Chances are they won't be many. There's no need to worry because you buy hooks separately and place them in your closet. Hooks are the ultimate closet hack as you will find space in new ways. Make use of this space by placing your belts, jewelry, clothes, purses, and more. They are a great way to make the most of wasted space. 5. The above closet space is a bonus idea in itself. What you need to do is put your clothes inside the suitcase and then place it above the closet door space. It is advised to place the lightweight clothes or objects in the suitcase which were taking up place or store things that you do not normally need. 6. Mount things on the inside of the closet door. You can either make a closet organizer for hanging or buy one. It is an easy DIY. Scarves, belts, shoes, jewelry, and other things can be placed inside it. It's an effective and affordable way to make use of the space. Many people might overlook this aspect of the door, but it's totally doable. 7. Most people leave the top part of their closet as it is. However, there are a lot that you can do with the space. It is free, and all you have to do is place your shoes on top of it. There are multi-story shoe units which can also be placed on top of the closet for even more space. It is almost like increasing the height of your closet with much effort. 8. Maximize your hanging space by placing an extra perpendicular rod to it. It is a great and affordable way to make use of the hanging space, which might have been neglected before. Storing clothes in a closet is an art, and extra perpendicular rods are a great way to showcase that. You can place additional clothes, hats, belts, and other items on these rods. 9. It is extremely easy to make this cardboard DIY organizer, which you can put in your small closet. Here's how you do it. First, decide the size of your organizer. Draw the templates on cardboard and cut out the pieces. Assemble the pieces to see if they fit. Make adjustments if needed. Assemble the side pieces and make sure every piece fits perfectly. Disassemble the organizer and wrap each piece with paper or fabric and secure with glue. Assemble the wrapped pieces again into the organizer and cover the seams with cardstock strips. Secure with glue. Now it looks like this. Wrap the drawers with paper and insert into the drawer slots of the organizer. The cardboard organizer is done. 10. Since we're talking about DIY, you can also make a DIY rack easily. It will provide you with extra space in your room and also free up space in your closet. If DIY isn't your thing, there are plenty of racks which you find online. Buy a rack for your room to store your clothes in the rack. Hang clothes, hats, belts, and other items on the rack. 11. Hang your clothes into the S-hooks placed on chains. This is an incredibly easy and useful technique for making the most of your limited closet space. You can hang your shirts on the hooks and find an alternative to storing clothes. It is an idea that is not used by many, but is equally useful for those of you that are trying to squeeze things into your closet. 12. Another great way to organize your closet is by turning shoeboxes into closet organizers. Use shoeboxes that are durable and store lightweight items into the boxes. Think of storing small towels, your underwear, swimwear, and other light clothes. It doesn't cost a dime to use shoeboxes. There is no limit to what can be placed inside the shoeboxes. 13. Get an extra rod and place it inside your closet door. It is an effective way to make the most of your closet door. You can hang clothes and other things on the extra rod. Think about innovating the way things are placed in your closet and make the most of every single space. Do not leave the closet door from your organizing, as it is normally left out. 14. If you have too many belts or scarves, then use shower curtain rings. The best thing about this idea is the fact that it doesn't cost much to get shower curtain rings. You can easily place them in your hanging area, as it is the best way to utilize the entire hanging area. Use it to hang your belts and scarves in just one space. 15. One can use some rope and dowel for doubling the rod space. There are ropes that are being sold for hangers and hanging belts. Get a strong rope that is durable so that you can place as many items on it as possible. You can also use a wire of an old extension as rope if you're out of cash. 16. If you're out of closet space and are looking for other ways to store your clothes and shoes, then you can make use of your bed. Get a box and store unused clothes or shoes under your bed. It is simple and doesn't take much time. By using this method, you can even open up more space in your closet so that it is easy for you to take out whatever you need. 17. The attic is an amazing place where you can place just about everything. Get your boxes out and store all the clothes and shoes that you do not wear and store them inside the boxes. After you have stored and packed the boxes, you can leave them in the attic. This is exactly what people are doing these days. The attic can be a lifesaver at times, so make use of yours. 18. If you want to get creative without doing much, then just keep your tops on the coat hanger and tie hanger. The hanger can be used for various purposes, and a top holder is just one. 19. If you haven't heard of a tie hanger yet, then it's time for you to get one. Many people make the mistake of wasting their closet drawer space by storing ties in there. The closet drawer is certainly not for storing your ties, so get a tie hanger and place it on a wall for freeing up closet space and using it for other more important things. 20. You can use the doorknob for various purposes, and for placing hangers is one of them. It will free up your clothes or hanging space. It is an effective way to use the entire closet without missing out the doorknobs. 21. Make the most of your bags and closet hanging space by storing your clothes in the bags and hanging them. Normally, we don't use our extra bags that we used back in high school. Jog your memory and find a bag which can be used for storing clothes. 22. If your closet doesn't have any space left in it for storing your clothes, then it is time to get a shelf. Investing in a good shelf is worth it, as it is durable and serves multiple purposes, such as book storage and shoe storage. And that's all for now. What do you think of this episode? Please share your thoughts about this video in the comments section. For more decorating and organizing ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.